Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Goran Guitar. I want to present Zhavia for you. I don't know much about this singer. I know she's from Cali, and she's done some collaborations with Zayn before, I believe. That's pretty much it. She's new to this channel, and for me as well. So we're going to look into her song called Burned You. And we're going to do that with the capo set on the 4th fret. That's the best scenario for us. Let's go into the song. All right, so you can see here the capo is on, and we don't need to go over any chords here because this is mainly a picking pattern song. So we're going to go right into the action here with the verse play. And it's pretty much the verse slash chorus play. It's played almost exactly in the same way. So we're going to start with the G-based part. It goes like this. Okay, so what you need to hold here is the 3rd fret E string in the bass. So you're going to play that first, that note. And then you're going to pick the open D, open G, and open B together. And the focus here is the open B. So if you just want to hit one of these strings, then the open B would be the one you go for. So 3rd E, then the notes, strings together. Then you're going to play the 3rd E again, and all the 3 strings again together, and again the 3rd E. All right, so that is the G part. It goes like this when it comes to the rhythm. It's pretty fast in the end there. You're going to play alternately with the bass and the higher strings. So again. Okay, then comes the A-based part. Okay, it goes like this. So you're gonna play and hold the 2nd fret D string. That's the only thing you need to hold here. And you start with the open A. Then you're gonna play the 2nd D together with open G and open B. And then open A again. And then a little pause, and then you're gonna play the 2nd D, open G, and open B again. That's the A parts. So together, G and A goes like this, a little bit slower than standard tempo. All right, let's move on with the E minor. And the first half of this E minor is a part we're always gonna play, and then we have different endings depending on where we are in the song. So the first half will be like this. You're gonna hold the 2nd fret A string this time. You're gonna play this part that you're always gonna play like this. Okay, so you're gonna play open E string in the bass. Then you're gonna play the 2nd A together with open D and open G. Then you're gonna play the open E again. And then immediately right after, you're gonna play this 2nd D, open G, and open D as well. So that is the first part of it, which you're gonna play always. So when it comes to the verse and chorus play. All right, then we have different endings here. The first ending now, this is the main ending. We're gonna play that always in the verse play, and it goes like this. Okay, so that is to play open E string in the bass, and then open D, 2nd G, open G, and open D. And once you play that, you go back again and play from the beginning, the G, A, and E minor, and so on. So one round of just this main part in the verse, it goes like this, slowly. Okay, and then you just roll that for a couple of rounds. Okay, so that is what you're gonna play, and then you have this part, this other ending after you play the first part of the E minor, this part. Then you have the 2nd ending here, and that is the first time you're going to use it just before into the pre-chorus part. It's about 41 seconds in. Instead of playing this part, you're now going to play. So that is to play open D string, then open A, then 4th D, then open D, and open A. So that replaces the ending here in this main part, and that happens first time at 41 seconds in. Okay, so that takes us into the pre-chorus part. I'll come back to the chorus soon because it's very, very similar to the verse, but you can always play, or you can think that you already now know pretty much the verse and chorus play. So this pre-chorus now is the main big thing to learn from this song now. So this is completely different. It goes like this for C parts. That is the first chord. Okay, so you're gonna play third A, then open G, third B, open high E, then first B, open G, and first B. It goes pretty fast there, so it goes like this. Okay, next chord is the E minor. So now you're gonna play the open E string, open D, then second G, open G, open D, and back to open G. So far we learned C and E minor. Now into the B minor part. It goes like this. So you're gonna play this B minor chord as it is actually. So what I do here, I place a short little bar on the second fret and I push down the 5 strings if you count from bottom up like this. And then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. That's the B minor part and chord, and it goes 2nd on A, 4th D, 3rd B, 4th G, 4th D, and back to 4th G. So slowly. And then we have the C major 7 part in the end here. It goes like this. So that is to play 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open B, open G, 2nd D, and open B. So that is one round in this pre-chorus, okay? I'm gonna take you through this one round slowly. And then when you play the second round, the second and last round, in the C major parts, you're just gonna stop after the open B note, okay? So you played the 3rd A, the 2nd D, and open B. That is what you're gonna stop with in the second round here in this pre-chorus, with a big pause afterwards, and then you're gonna come into the chorus parts, which we're gonna come to very soon. But first, I'm gonna take you through this one round of the pre-chorus. It goes like this slowly. And then in the second round, you're just gonna end with like this. And a big pause. And that takes us into the chorus play. So, the chorus now, remember, we play that in the same way almost as the verse. So it starts with G, A, and E minor, okay? Now, in the E minor parts, we had 2 endings here. We had one main ending. It was like this. Okay? That is the first ending here in the chorus. And then we had this other ending that was a bridge into the pre-chorus. It was like this. Okay, now we're gonna alternate these endings, okay? So you don't have any main ending now in the chorus, you're just gonna alternate this for 2 rounds. So that is play exactly the same when it comes to the verse, the G, A, and E minor part, but the different endings you're just gonna alternate, and that will be the chorus play. So that is pretty much how I handle Zhavia's song called Burned You. I enjoy to do these tutorials, guys, and you wanna support me, then that is very helpful for me. I appreciate that a lot. So thank you for watching, guys, and until next time, play tuned.